What the fuck? I can't believe he's bailed on me, you fucking shitbags.
Hang on a fucking minute. I said I'd be penny for the guy. I didn't say that I'd rob Asda.
Lads, you did? Why are you lying for, you little tit? I swear to God, you are going down.
You lying little bastard. You're the fucking shithouse, you fucking little putrid bastard. Act your age, not your fucking shoe size. Talk to the hand, because the face ain't listening.
Swear of leaving me on my own.
You just fuck off. Way.
Wait there, please. If you're not razzing Halloween, I'll tell me ma to give you loads and loads of sweets, please, and beg you. Please, loads, though.
Only we can get a can of Coke, too.
Anything you want, lad. Coke, Pepsi, Piss, Capri Sun, Red Bull, anything, I swear to God. Can't fucking handle this anymore, just stand on me fucking head.
Shall I or what?
Do it right here, right now, at that fucking Fatboy Slim song. What the fuck's that? I defo heard something over here before. Oh, shit. I love, you alright? No, I'm not alright, you fucking little cockhead. Tell me what the fuck's going on right now. I was just telling all these are fucking bossing around, you're a boss bird and that, you know, you're just fucking bossing that, didn't I? Wait there, I'll be back in 1 minute, please. I'll bring you a Big Mac home. I swear to God, I love you. Bye. Why is it gonna lie all the time? I was gonna wear my best frock tonight as well and go to Nando's for the fucking scram. What the fuck?